Alright y'all, so I'm going to show y'all how to put a glass screen protector on a iPhone X and do it as evenly as possible. I got this screen protector here called Black Web from Walmart. I got this for $10 over there. It only comes with one in there. And I'm going to show you how to put it on your iPhone X. So just going to open up the packaging. So what comes in the packaging, you get a cloth here. You get this sticker to get the dust off. And then on the back of it, you got the actual glass screen protector right here. Being that I just took the plastic off of this phone, there is not going to be much dust on it, really. We're still going to wipe it off though. It does have a screen cleaner in there. I'm not going to use it though. Just gonna use this to wipe it really quick. And excuse my table, it is mad ratchet, I know. I use this table to repair phone screens. Just peel the little blue paper off. Sit it over top of it. Peel it off, and it takes the dust particles off. And then there's gonna be a little thing that says peel off when ready to apply glass. So just gonna peel that off, and you pretty much just lay it on the phone, and you can see the outlines of the screen. You just get it as even as possible and just drop it on there, and it will form itself. As you can see, it will do it on its own. You just watch it do it. Now, some companies' glass screen protectors are better than others. So as you can see, I have a little bubble there in the corner. So what I'll do is I'll take the claw and just basically press them out. And I'll just do that all around until it's pretty clean. Try not to get as OCD about these things as I do, because you will be taking the screen protector off and squeegeeing all day. So I do have one little bubble there, but we're not going to worry about it right now. So there you go. You have a pretty clean application, as you can see. So yeah, now you have a protected iPhone XS that you just got. So don't be walking around bare with your new phone with a cracked screen. Like, that's not popping. So yeah, that's how I apply my glass screen protectors. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if there's anything else you want to see on my channel, because I'm open to all ideas. So yeah, I'll holler at y'all later though. Bye.